Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Participants of the 8th International Conference on Elementary Education. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Today, I'm going to present the results of my research entitled Exploring the Creativity of PGSD Students in Creating Children's Stories, illustration based on artificial intelligence or AI for elementary school students. Before I begin, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Decenia Amelia, MPD, a lecturer in Primary Teachers Education Program or PGSD at Universitas Bayangkara, Jakarta Raya. So, the background of my research is based on the idea that the integration of technology, especially artificial intelligence or AI, has opened new opportunities in developing creativity and literacy among PGSD students. As future elementary school teachers, they need to be able to create innovative and engaging learning materials, including children's stories with attractive illustration. PGSD students must adapt to technological innovation while maintaining human creativity. Therefore, this study explores how AI can be used as a creative tool to assist PGSD students in producing children's story illustration while also strengthening their character values and digital literacy skills. The use of AI in the learning process should not merely introduce technology but also cultivate innovative and adaptive mindsets toward ongoing societal change. One concrete example of AI integration in teacher education is its application in the children literature learning development in elementary school course. In the course, students are encouraged not only to understand literacy stories and analyze story content, but also to create authentic and meaningful children literary works. So, research objective on my research is number one, to describe the creative process of PGSD student in creating AI-based children's stories, and number two, to explore the character values embedded in their works. And research method, my research is qualitative method. The study employs a qualitative approach with descriptive design. I'm at gaining an in-depth understanding of the creative process of student in primary school teacher education program or PGSD at Universitas Bayangkara Jakarta Raya or Ubarajaya in creating children's stories using artificial intelligence or AI technology. And subject in this study consists of three students who are currently in their fifth semester, taking the course pengembangan pembelajaran sastra anak di sekolah dasar or primary school. And data collection is observation and document analysis. So, data were collected using two main technique is observation. Observation was conducted directly during the students' project activities involving the creation of AI-based children's stories. The researchers observed how the student explored ideas, selected themes, determined character, and used AI-based tools such as ChatGPT. And document analysis carry out on the students' final works, consisting of children's story text and AI generated illustration. The analysis focus on three key aspects. Number one, story them and plots, and number two, character values embedded in the works, and number three, innovation and originality in the visual illustration. So, research stage of this study are Number one, idea planning, developing story themes and plots with moral values. And number two, AI illustration development using ChatGPT. And number three, character values reflection, embedding moral and educational lesson into the story. And stage one is idea planning. Is student identify themes related to children daily lives, and the stories produce reflected character values such as environmental awareness, friendship, honesty, and peace. Stories written manually to maintain originality. And this three title of the stories, Ayo Pilah Sampah Bersama Diva from from student number one, and number two Si Kancil Yang Tertipu from student number two, and Andai Jadi Aku from student number three. The story title Ayo Pilah Sampah Bersama Diva tells about a girl named Diva who wants to make a change in her neighborhood. She noticed that her surroundings are very dirty and full of garbage. Therefore, she takes the initiative to educate the local residents to start taking care of the environment so that it remains clean and green. This story contains the values of peduli lingkungan. And the story title Si Kancil Yang Tertipu, it is a fable that tells the story of a fox named Malika who feels disappointed after being betrayed by her friend, another fox named Fanny, who has been dishonest. Malika then tries to find a way to regain the trust of all the animals in the forest. After participating in a competition, Fanny realizes her mistake and regrets betraying Malika. In the end, they become friends again. This story contains the values of kejujuran and persahabatan. And the last story is titled Andai Jadi Aku, which tell about a girl named Putri and her parents who deeply care for and lovingly take care of their plants in their home garden. This story contains the values of peduli lingkungan and tanggung jawab. Uh, in the stage 2 AI illustration development, student use ChatGPT and AI image generator in ChatGPT to create illustration. AI enhance students' confidence and imagination. Students learn to craft prompts, a link visual with story context. And it is important to note that in the process of developing these children's stories, AI acts as a collaborative tools, not a creativity replacement. So this is here are some example for illustration generated with the help of ChatGPT using prompts taken from fragments of story text that had been created earlier in stage one. And this illustration of the story Ayo Pilah Sampah Bersama Diva. And this on the left is the illustration of Si Kancil Yang Tertipu. And on the right is illustration of the story Andai Jadi Aku. So I think that nowadays teachers and prospective teachers can easily develop children's stories with engaging illustration and visual with the help of AI or yeah, AI. And then stage number three, reflection of character values. Dominant values is jujur, tanggung jawab, and then peduli lingkungan and friendship, of course, or persahabatan, ya. And then student embed moral lessons through character and conflicts. AI illustration strengthens emotional and moral delivery. And student reflection is number one, learning was enjoyable, challenging, and meaningful. And number two, and number two, creativity requires conceptual and adaptive thinking. And difficulties, cultural representation, and natural expression in AI result, need for stronger visual and digital literacy. Conclusion, this study conclude that the utilization of artificial intelligence or AI technology in children literature learning and change creativity, digital literacy, and character values awareness among PGSD student at Universitas Bhayangkara Jakarta Raya. And conclusion number two, this illustration stage reveal the AI help students visualize their ideas more effectively and strengthen the moral message within their stories. Meanwhile, the reflection stage showed that students were able to integrate moral message through educational character and storylines. Overall, the integration of AI in children literature learning proved to be an effective pedagogical innovation for fostering the creativity of future elementary school teachers. AI functions as supportive tools that enrich the thinking process rather than replacing human creativity. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the presentation of my research findings. I hope what I have shared today will be beneficial for all participants and everyone involved. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Uh, I end my presentation with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.